Alright, we're gonna connect to Zara Wi-Fi. Alright, so Zara has free Wi-Fi. Take me straight to the Zara app. Let's go. So as soon as I connect the Wi-Fi, take me straight to the Zara app. I already got it. So what I'm about to do now. So I'm gonna search. Zara actually has a really good app. So I'm gonna search, and then right here it has the code, barcode thing. So I really like this shirt. I really like this shirt. You gotta scan the barcode. And it took me straight to the item. I'm gonna save that one. And then I really liked this jacket too. I really like this jacket. So here's that jacket. And then we're gonna say that it does not do, the app doesn't even do that jacket justice. I did just like this jacket though. So I'm gonna scan this code too. So here's this jacket. Save that one. I like these pants. I like the pants. So these are those pants. We're gonna save those. The last one is gonna be these shoes. Well, not the last one. I like the vest too. Let's scan this vest. So there's the shoes. And then the vest. Here's the pants. And then this shirt right here. This shirt too. And then that shirt. That shirt, thank you. Now, the crazy part is, right? Crazy part is,